In this video, I'm gonna show you what iPad settings you should turn off right now. Apple devices such as iPhones, iPads, Mac computers, and other products have various settings that you can customize to suit your preferences, enhance security, improve performance, and manage your device more effectively. The first iPad setting you should turn off is the location services. To do so, open Settings on your iPad, check Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services. Here you should look for the apps that use your location all the time and turn them off. Hey, this is Parviz from Techlavas. I'm here to help you to save your valuable time and energy from searching and being confused among thousands of apps. I'm gonna recommend you only the apps that I have used and tested and I have real experience with. These videos take a long time to make, so if after watching you'd like to show your appreciation, make sure to hit that subscription button, the thumbs up and the notification bell. It would mean a lot to me. Without further ado, let's get started. The next iPad setting you need to turn off is canceling subscriptions. Maybe your kid has a subscription for a game and you pay $10 a month for that and you are not aware of it. Now it's the time to cancel it. So on your iPad setting, tap on your profile, hit the subscriptions and cancel all necessary ones. To cut down the amount of information Apple collects about you to sell you stuff, you need to change the iPad setting on personalized recommendations. On your profile, hit the media and purchases, then tap view account and switch off personalized recommendations. In fact, when I'm on App Store, I'm looking for a specific app and I don't need my data to be saved on Apple servers to suggest me personalized apps.